All right, go. Where'd it go?
It hit the dirt.
See it?
The snaps weren't able to explode because it went straight in the dirt. Nice little
Oh yeah.
dig in and then fell off.
Okay, go ahead.
Like, can you zoom in on this and see the... I'm roughly at a 0 degree angle. We're gonna see what happens when it goes straight up.
Yeah. I see it. It's right here.
Alright.
Ain't bad.
Cherub Milsim makes these are called spite rounds.
Yeah.
You can get them specifically from Cherub Milsim. There's these foam darts that typically come for the Havoc, but most people are out of stock on them. So Cherub filled the gap, as always.
Oh yeah.
Just like with your mom.
Hey.
I was 77 yards.
Okay.
So we went 77 yards at about a 10 degree angle, if that. I mean, I tried to go straight up, but I was probably tilted a little bit more than straight. So that's probably a 10, 15 degree angle.
Yeah.
So 100 yards on a 25, I bet, easily.
Oh yeah.
See what we can do. You need to give us some space, because man, it goes way further than I thought it would.
That's what she said.
Try to go for about a 20. Here's a 25 degree angle. Let's do 35.
Okay.
See what happens right there.
Watch the power lines. Make sure it doesn't hit it.
35.
Yeah, there you go. Right over the power lines, over the trees, down.
So it's about the same. That's 207. That's about 70 yards. So
All right.
I've got another round in my bag. We'll launch it, and I'll give it even more angle. See if it changes.
Yeah.
I've got it. I could tighten it and add more pressure, but I wanted to get an average of where it's at now. So here's the upgraded version of the spite round that he came out with based on feedback from that prototype design. You can see the color is cool. It's more milsim-y. This is still, I think, glows in the dark, so we're good there. Still holds snaps.
Where's it glow in the dark at?
And this little ring.
Oh, cool.
And the tip will glow.
Yeah, I figured those two parts were glowing in the dark. That's pretty cool.
All right, let's see what we can do with the 45.
What's the angle at it?
We did a 35. I'm gonna shoot it at 45.
All right.
There we go.
Yeah, got it. There it goes. Yeah, I heard it hit.
It looks like it probably went another 10 to 15 feet further that time.
Yeah.
So we'll go out there and retrieve those.
Oh boy, the fun we're gonna have with this thing.
This was our mark last time where it hit 77 yards. You can see the hole still.
Yeah.
So that one roughly went maybe another foot further from the bounce. So
There it is.
up to a 35 degree angle, we're only going to get about 70 to 80 yards. But beyond that, we went to 45 degree angle. And so this is more like 88 to 90. So 45 degrees is going to get you up to 90 yards away. So we could try to push it out to 55. See if we can get more borderline. But I want to do kind of a horizontal shot because we're doing mostly verts with arc. So the trajectory, just to understand the trajectory as a mortar, but I want to do kind of a shot like maybe at that dumpster. Okay.
I hit it. I heard
Dumped
that.
it.
Pretty sure the audio picked that up.
I'm getting some distance out of like less than 15 degree angle.
There he goes.
That was another 70 yard shot right there. Love it.
Buckshot round. Shoot.
Yeah.